Good morning! It's Friday morning and this is how I look when I just woke up. Yeah, this is how I look. Okay, I go time in for my work. Then this is where I work. Stylish. Going home. Back to sleep. Morning, Cat. Bye-bye. Just woke up and I need to wash my clothes. I just washed my clothes yesterday. I need to dry them up here. It's just going to be quick. Okay. So I need to get ready to work now and I'm gonna take a shower. I'm not doing the live show. I am totally late. It's okay. I need to go faster. Faster. Isang panasat ko dun. Morning.
No class, Kylie?
Now I'm at work and I'm just waiting for patients to come. My colleague. So we have our neighbors. They are the interpreters. And there's Arabic, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Cambodian, Malayo, Myanmar, Vietnamese, German, French, and English. Warriors, the Interpreters. I gotta get some snacks. I didn't have breakfast today, so biscuits is good. Here it is. Ovaltine. Thank you. Lunch break. Let's see what's on the menu. Yeah. The fried fish. This. The meat. Now back to work. Back to work. Back to work. Back to work. Chomp is on the house. Yeah, Champ.
This is the last time I've ever worn a seat. 34.
That's a kangaroo.
Yeah. I'm ripping my drawing because I hate it.
You hate your kangaroo.
Huh?
You hate your kangaroo.
Yeah, very much.
We ain't ever getting older.
What?
We ain't ever getting older. Hello, good afternoon. How may I help you, ma'am? Weight control manager. You want to consult a doctor in the weight control, ma'am? I've done for the day and it's a productive day. Still, it's tiring. After the long hour of work, I'm gonna exercise. Exercise to be healthy. Smells good. Oh man. So my exercise mat is locked on a certain room and I can't get it. So I need to use this box. So okay. That was intense. Whew. I've been doing this workout for about 2 months now. So yeah, it's a great workout. It's a great workout application. So yeah, I think I'm good. It's a Nike app. This one, a Nike app, and you can download for free. Not paid for advertising this application. Okay, so bye.